How you doing, everyone? Welcome to Dada. My name is Dwayne Sowards. This question was left for me by one of my students. We kind of ran out of time in our tutoring session, and I'm making this video for that student. So if you learned something from this, great. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to simplify this complex fraction. When I first looked at it, I was kind of like, huh. But once you realize what you need to do, it's really not that tough. It's more of just remembering the steps. So what we want to do to simplify this complex fraction is the first thing we want to do is get a common denominator. And to get a common denominator by all of these fractions, we're just going to multiply each denominator by itself. So that being said, let's look at it. We have 6 times 9 times 2 times 8. That equals 864. And I'm no math genius. I already did this problem, so I'm just doing it again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 864 by each one of these fractions. And what that's going to do is that's going to reduce the fraction to a whole number, which is a lot easier to work with once we plug it back into the original question. So we're going to take 864 and multiply by 5 over 6, which equals 864 times 5 6 equals 720. And now we're going to do the same thing with the next fraction. 864 times 1/9, which equals 96. And then we're going to take 864 and multiply it by 5 over 2, which is 2,160. And then we're going to multiply it by, we're going to multiply our common denominator by 3 over 8, or 3/8. Which equals, hold on one sec, 864 times 3 over 8 equals 324. So now we have reduced each one of these fractions to whole numbers. We're going to plug it back into the question, and then we're going to solve it. So we have 720 plus 96, and then we have 520. Let me back up. And then we have 2,160 minus 324. All right, so now all we have to do is add 720 plus 96 to get our new numerator, and then subtract 2,160 from 324 to get our new denominator, and then we're going to divide it, and that will give us our answer. So 720 plus 96 equals 816. 2,160 minus 324 equals 1,836. And when you reduce this, you get 4 over 9, which is the correct answer. Like I said, I've already done this question. I'm just making this video for the student. And in decimal form, you'll get 0.44 continuously. And that's how you answer that question. If you have any other questions about this question or any other questions, email me at babadadatutoring@gmail.com. If you actually want to have basically a free one-on-one tutoring with me, email me at the same email address. And as for this question, that's it. We're done. See you guys next time. Have a good day.